Good morning, garden growers. It's Troy with Unevolved Living. Today, we're talking about peas and beans. So what we've done here is it's about a 4x6 veggie garden, and as you can see, we've got beans and peas in it. This morning, I just built this trellis just out of some thin bamboo and some jute twine. The reason why I use the jute twine is that it will break down over time versus like a nylon. So if you get little pieces of it or something in your garden, it's not that detrimental, right? So let me just kind of show you how we constructed this bed, and we'll go from there. So what we have here, this inner ring, is our sugar daddy sweet peas. So all these are going to come up. We're going to train them up this trellis, and as it moves up the trellis, of course it'll bunch up there. But then we've got the bush beans around the outer edge, and what we're doing on the bush beans is, they don't really need to be trellis. We're just going to let them kind of droop over the edge, and so we get a compatible planting in a small space with peas and beans. Peas are going up, beans are kind of going up, but kind of going over too. And so we're really excited about this, see how it turns out. We'll come up with another update and let you know how it goes. Thank you, garden growers. Have a beautiful morning.